So people were asking me, hey, we should do a C++ conference in Paris because we have a lot of good French C++ programmers. We have a lot of knowledge. We should share it. We should have a conference. And every time I was like, yeah, seems like a bit of work, but we'll see. And then I organized CPPP 2019, and then I'm organizing CPPP 2021. So that puts me in a good place to present you my lightning talk, which is in fact called, I have the mouse, why you should not organize a C++ conference. Because if you think about it, why would you ever try to organize a C++ conference? Perhaps you're thinking, hey, I would like to organize a conference to learn a lot about C++. Nice, this is my GitHub statistics for the last months. So I'm doing handlebars, JavaScript, and CSS. Nice, yeah. I haven't coded in C++ for the conference since I started it. But also, I'm going to see great talks. Like, if you want to see great talks, just organize a conference, presenting the talk you want to see in the world. Except I haven't seen any complete talks in the beginning of the conference because I'm very busy otherwise. So yeah, don't organize a conference to see great talks. I'm going to meet great speakers, right? Yeah, I am going to meet great speakers who are going to ask me, hey, where is the TED check? And perhaps they are going to tell me they have a problem to connect to the Discord. And once it's done, they will move to present their talk. And I'm going to do something else. So actually, I'm not going to meet great speakers. I meet them, but not get anything from it. Perhaps I will make friends with a few of the speakers. Actually, now all the speakers I refused at the conference hate me. So I think I lost some friends instead of making more. So in the end, you should probably not organize a conference. I mean, what's the point? But then, Fred, why did you organize a second conference after the first one? Did somebody force you? Luckily, no. So why you should organize a conference? Because then you go on Twitter and you see attendees who loved the talks that were at your conference. And you see speakers who gave talks and are very happy to have given them. And you see people who are excited by the fact that they are at a conference. That's great. And you see all these people who are going to the first conference in their lives. And it's your conference. And that feels so, so good. Today, I spoke with people who were here for the first time at a conference about C++, who were from Asia. And we have other people from the US and people all around the world that are coming to a conference thanks to us. So yeah, in the end, I think I'm happy to organize a conference and we should all learn and share our knowledge of C++ together. Thank you.